We start with daily charges. I want to give a quick update. As we can see, we get the sharp move, then the price within a day from 36 move to somewhere around 60. Okay, and now based on daily chart, we're looking at the 67 cent. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we are looking for and what's the at least the resistance we want to see the breakout of. First thing, if we look at the chart for the Bitfinex, the all-time high here we can see somewhere the price showing is 5.75 or 5.8. Okay, and some of the chart, I mean, they don't have the any details before 2020. Now we're talking about the all-time high. Okay, for me, since I remember on 2018, the all-time high for the Iota was 4.5, somewhere within that range. Okay, that's why now I want to highlight about this. Now, what's the all-time high? 5.8 or 4.5? As I mentioned, the all-time, because at that time some of the exchanges they had a different prices because of bubble in the market. And what I want to highlight here, the all-time high I'm considering my analysis is 4.5, not what we see here. Okay, and even if you refer to the Queen market cap, all right, this is what we can see somewhere around 4.5 showing as an all-time high. Again, since I remember, I never see the price more than 4.5, but right now I was looking at the charts, then most of the chart they don't have the history before the 2020. That's why I wanted to highlight about this. Anyway, whenever I'm talking about the all-time high, I'm looking for the 4.5, not more than that. Okay. Then based on monthly chart, we see the uh no, I mean we're looking for continuation. We see the breakout of the 44 cent. Mostly we're looking for continuation and what I can expect. First, I want to see the breakout of 1.1 at this point based on monthly chart, but based on daily chart, we're looking to see the breakout of the 67. But based on monthly chart, we're looking at 1.1, following by 1.81, following by 2.7. Then we can look for 4.5. We have to see the breakout of any of this. Okay. And this is the resistance at this point we can look for unless we see the changes. And if we move to lower time frame, I mean weekly chart, I don't see any changes. The only thing is based on daily chart, we see the sharp move, we don't see the correction and even trade setup. Now I'm looking to see the breakout of the 67 because with the breakout of the 67, then we can look for 1.1. All right. That's mean if we get any correction, any trade setup, we'll take it. But as I mentioned, based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup, even based on forward chart. If you want to look for buy, either we wait for the deeper correction or we look for the flag based on 1 hour or 15-minute chart. Okay. But I don't see any trade setup at this point. Even if you move to 1 hour chart, whenever I say I don't see any trade setup, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue. The only question, how look for trade setup. Okay, even if the price continue from here, based on 1 hour chart, there is no trade setup. The best time to look for buy before we see the movement when the price was within somewhere around 22 to 25 cent. Anyway, I didn't have any update for that time, and I didn't have the time to come up to upload for this chart. Anyway, now, if the price continue, I just let it go. If I see any depict more complex correction, then any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And I'm looking, the only thing is I'm looking to see the breakout of the 67. Whether we can get the deep daily correction now, we're looking for continuation. We are going to get the deeper correction at the higher time frame. I mean higher price. That's why if we move any opportunity for buy the flag, we'll take it based on 1 hour chart. I don't see how, but if we move to 15-minute, okay, I don't see anything. The only option is to put our entry somewhere around 55 cent. Is not the target. I mean, it's not the trade setup, and I'm not interested in that because any continuation, this is what we can see, unless we see the breakout and as a sharp move. That's mean to look for the trade setup. Best is we wait. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.